children, welcome to the online classes. Now today we are going to do with the word problems. Okay, open page number 107, word problems. So first you need to read the problem, understand it, then write the numbers and then do the problem. Let us see the example. There are 247 girls. Okay, there are 247 girls and 395 boys in a school. There are 247 girls and 395 boys in a school. How many students are there in all? So, see this all means adding. You need to read the problem, understand it and find the small words will be there which will give us the hints that what you have to do, whether you have to do the addition or subtraction in that way. Okay, see here 247 girls are there and 395 boys are there, and how many students are there in all is there. All means you need to club everything, so you need to add. So here see, number of boys 395, number of girls 247, total number of students. You need to first add the ones, then add the tens, then add the hundreds. You will get the answer. Okay, now we will do the exercise. Exercise 6.8. There are 249 women and 327 men in a fair. 249 women are there, 327 men are there. 123 children are also there. 123 children are also there. How many people are there in the fair? There are 249 women, 327 men and 123 children also there. How many people are there in the fair? So total how many are there we need to find out. So here see, number of women. Number of women is there. So write here the number 249. Give a space and neatly write. Give space here. Okay, don't club and write. Give space and write. Number of men. How many men are there? 327. So below 2, 3, 2, 7. Number below number you have to write. Don't write here and there. And 123 children. Number of children 1, 2, 3. 123 children. So total number of people in the fair. So lastly you need to add these 3. We will get the total number. And 9, 7, 3. So which is the greatest number here? 9. And 7 fingers draw. Here down I will draw. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 in the mind, 7 on a finger. 9 in the mind, 7 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 in the mind again, 3 on a finger. 16 in the mind, 3 on a finger. After 16, 17, 18, 19. So, 1 carry, 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. Then 4, 1, 2, 2. 4, 1, 5. 5 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 7, 8, 9. Then 3, 2, 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 4, 5, 6. 699. So total number of people in the fair is 699 people. 699 people were there in the fair. Okay. In this way you need to write. Next, let us see the next problem. 143 people live in Tia's apartments. Okay, how many people? 143 people in Tia's apartments. See here, 2 buildings are there. Tia building, Ria building. So, 143 people live in Tia's building, apartment. And 277 people live in Ria's. Here, in this 143, in Ria building, 277. How many people live in both the apartments? So both you need to club together. So write these numbers. Tia's building. Tia's building how many? 143. 1, 4, 3. Then number of people in Ria's apartments. 277. 277. 143, 277. So 7 in the mind, 3 on a finger. 7 in the mind, 3 on a finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 10. 4, 5. Or other 7 is the greatest number. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 12. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So 420 people live in both the apartments in Tia and Ria building. Altogether 420 people live. Okay. Now you complete this one. We'll go to the next page. Okay. 108. So what is there in 108? Subtraction. So we have entered into another topic. Only 2 word problems are there. We have entered into another topic here, that is subtraction. Till this we have done with the additions. Okay. Addition of greater numbers. Now we are doing subtractions. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay. Now, see, subtract 49 from 76. 76 you have to write and 49. So first what you have to do, how we have done the addition? First you have to do ones, then you have to do tens. So here regrouping. Regrouping means see here 6. From 6, 9 will go. It's only 6. After 6 only we will get 7, 8, 9. So 6 is a smaller number. 9 is a greater number. So from 6 you can't deduct 9. So what you have to do in this case? You need to regroup it. You need to borrow from the tens. We need to borrow from the tens. This we have already done in our subtraction chapter by small numbers. Now here we are doing with the bigger numbers. Okay. Now see, you have to regroup. How? See, we need to borrow from the tens. So this 10 we are bringing here. So here we should add 1. So this will become 16 and the back number of the 7 is 6. So now here instead of 6 it became 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we wrote. Then you need to go to the tens. So now here 6 is there. So after 4, 5, 6. After 4, 5, 6. So 2 we wrote. So 27 is the answer. So in this way you need to do. Okay, let us do the exercise. Subtract the number. Exercise 6.9, 109 page number. Okay, 91 minus 19. 91 minus 19. Here also can we subtract 9 from 1? No, 1 is a small number, smaller than 9. So you need to bring from the tens. So this will become 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11 and this 9 will become 8. So after 9 till 11 you have to count. After 9, 10, 11. After 9, 10, 11. So how many? 2. Right here 2. And after 1, from 8 you can subtract 1. After 1, here I will draw the lines. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. From 0 can 8 will go? No. So borrow. This will become 10 and this will become 1. After 8, 9, 10. After 8, 9, 10. How many? 1, 2. And 1 cut. 1 cut. How many? 0. The same number is there, then we will get the answer 0. Okay. Then 85 minus 37. From 5 can we deduct 7? No. So borrow. This will become 15. And 8 back number is 7. After 7 till 15 count. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here 8. After 3 till 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? 4. Okay. Next. 8, 6, 86, 2, 7, 27. Can we deduct 7 from 6? No. Borrow. This will become 1, 6, 16 and 8 back number is 7. So from 16 you need to deduct 7. After 7 till 16 you have to count. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after 2 till 7. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? 5. Okay. In this way you need to do. Next. 26 minus 19. From 6 you can't deduct 9. So borrow. This will become 16. This will become 1. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1 minus 1? 0. Same number? 0. Okay. 8, 4, 84, 5, 5, 55. So, borrow. And this will become 7. 14 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after 5 till 7. After 5, 6, 7. After 5, 6, 7. Only 2. Okay. 4, 3, 43. 2, 5, 25. So, from 3 you can't deduct 5. Borrow. This will become 1, 3, 13. And 4 back number is 3. After 5 you need to count till 13. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after 2, 3. After 2, 3. Only 1. Okay. Then 9, 2, 92. 7, 5, 75. From 2, you can't deduct 5. So, bring from tens. This will become 1, 2, 12. And this here back number is 8. 12 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, 8. After 7, 8. 1. Okay. Then 7, 4, 74, 3, 6, 36. From 4, you can't deduct 6. So, bring from tens. This will become 1, 4, 14 and 7 back number is 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 3, till 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. Okay. 8, 0, 80, 5, 6, 56. From 0, you can't deduct 6. So, bring from tens. This will become 7. 8 will become 7. After 10, after 6 till 10 you have to count. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. After 5 till 7. After 5, 6, 7. After 5, 6, 7. 2. Okay, 24. 9, 5, 95. 7, 9, 79. From 5, you can't deduct 9. So, bring from tens. This will become 15 and 9 back number is 8. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 7, 8. After 7, 8. Only 1. Okay. 5, 4, 54. 4, 6, 46. So, from 4, you can't deduct 6. So, you need to borrow from tens. So, this will become 1, 4, 14 and 5 back number is 4. After 6 till 14 you need to count. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. 0. Okay. Complete this. And rest all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are for your homework. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with another topic. Have a good day.